Hello winners, welcome to the weekly forecast for gold, USDZAR, EURUSD, Pound USD and USDCAD. Trading Forex is risky and not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. If you invest $200 or $500 or $5,000, you can end up losing them all. So don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. My name is Ewinningstrategy. I am your Forex tutor, your helper and mentor. I am an economist. I have a master's degree in economics. So that's me. So let's go. This is gold. So let me introduce you to how I trade. I use pivot points. So pivot points gives me two prices every week and every month. Every month there is a sell price, and if it kicks off the sell price, there is always a target. So the target for this month is 14.55. For the month of November, there is a buy price. So if the price ever comes down here and it kicks off or respects it and starts heading north, then the target is 15.45. Okay? And then also for the week, we have a buy price and a sell price. As you can see, there is a couple of boxes here. There is the pink box and it's a green box, and then there is the more strong green box. This is the sell price for the week. This is the sell price for the month. Dynamite. This is the target price of 14.79 for this week if it goes all the way down. That doesn't always happen, but sometimes it actually do. And then if the price ever comes down here to this level and you're a buyer, you're like, yes, I am going to take it up, then your entry is down here after reversing, and then your target is up at 15.32. This is just for this week only. And then for this week, we can go closer into it. So what is this? So currently it has kicked off. I would say that's rejected of the monthly price. Now we're trying to head lower. But okay. But if it then makes, I use double tops and double bottoms and trend reversals. So that's currently not an entry there yet. It is still ranging. But when it does do this, comes back to this price, then you're definitely allowed to sell. This webinar does not contain any investment advice at all. This is only for educational purposes, as Forex is risky, might not fit for everyone, and you can lose your whole account. The investment advice, the investment is totally up to you. And whichever instrument you use to trade from, it's totally up to you. So I would still wait for a new low and pull back before selling. And then if price ever comes down to 14.80, stop selling, take your profit. And if price is there and you want to sell, you should not sell it anymore. Okay? Okie dokie. As a buyer, you're like, oh, okay. This looks like a good support and resistance area. Okay, that's good, because this is the weekly price of 14.96. Awesome. So if price comes down here, doesn't break below here, whoops, doesn't go lower, but stops, maybe makes a double bottom, higher high. Ooh, that's amazing. And even another price here is 15.03. That's also a good price to buy from. And then your target is 15.32. Amazing, right? Now, what is the direction? Well, we're currently we're currently in some kind of range. So I would say that be cautious about gold. Wait for it to make a move in either direction and keep your one direction for many months. See? Keep one direction for many months. If you sell, sell until January. If you buy, buy until January. The same thing here is with USDZAR. USDZAR, sell price for the month and the buy price for the month. It has a target for this, a bearish target and a bullish target, a buy target and a sell target. So what we wanted to see here was really, well, last month we saw this move, didn't come all the way down to this, to the target for the sellers, but pretty close. Went back up again. Okay, almost at it again. But then we want to see this. So we want to see a price now going lower down to 14.36. If it ever comes down there, you have to stop selling. Then you can look for something that happened last week. You can wait for price to turn around and then buy. But currently we're going lower, so whatever pullback you find, you are allowed to sell. What is a pullback? Well, let's see. I can find it very quickly. A pullback is, now we have rejected this. So this is a reversal. This is a new low, and the pullback should have been here. Then you could have sold, for example, or a new low here. Then price came back here. Then you could sell here. That's a pullback. And then if price ever comes up here again, that's also a pullback to this one, and then you can sell it down again. We don't know the future. I don't know the future, but the only direction you're allowed to do on USDZAR by me, you are only allowed to sell. You're not allowed to buy it. Okay? Goodbye. It's just how I trade. I don't want you to do bad things, bad investment advice, so you can only sell USDZAR. And yeah, and then US oil, just check it, how it's going. I bought here last week, and we are currently how many pips in profit? We are 300 pips in profit. Amazing. Okay, that was a bit of USD oil. Then it was Euro USD. Euro USD is here. So this again, we have buy price for sell price for the month, buy price for the month, target for sellers, target for buyers. And then for this week, we have entry for sellers. That is monthly and weekly. And is this a place to sell? Yes, it is. Is it a place to buy? Not really. Well, when was the price to buy? Oops, did I see? That was the price to buy. Double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy. And now you have those who's waiting for a breakout, pullback, then buying it again. Okay? So as a seller, we can sell it in this area here of 111, and target for this week is 110, 60, 70. But then next week, we may take it up again, but I want you to be a buyer on your USD, a seller of USD, as we did on the USDZAR. So you want to find a pullback, a low to buy it up, waiting for a new high, and then take it up to 112.20. Okay? What is your reasons to enter? Your reasons to enter can be, if you don't have a trading system, you just wait for price to break above here and then pull back. Where's your stop loss? Stop loss should be 50 pips. Down here, very good. But if price comes down to this area here, again, of 111.20, that would be the best for buyers this week. So either wait for a new break high. If it goes lower, then you take it up for 111.20. Amazing. And then also 50 pips stop loss. British pound USD. Then we have again the sell price for the month. Now we are reacting lower. Now we are in the buy price for the week. So this is, you are now allowed to buy it. And then the target is 130.34. Let's Straightforward, nothing else than that. But then if it goes lower, and if your seller, you're like, oh, this is a breakout, this is a break lower, good, then you're selling it off here, and then take it down to 127.78. But then what are you, buyer or seller? Depending. You are allowed to buy and you're allowed to sell in this area here. So we shall see who wins. Is it the buyers? It is sellers. That's totally up to the market. And target and stop loss is always 50 pips stop loss or more, maybe 100, depending on where you have found to be your golden spot. That also means that you have to do demo account trading. And demo account trading is no shame and pretty good. And you know what? That's where you learn. In September? Yeah, September, October, November? October, I said that this was the price to sell from. And surely we have respected this price a lot. And last month I said if price ever comes up here, you sell it. And if price ever comes down here, you take profit. And what happens? It kicks off again. So I said that, and I even said if it breaks higher, it makes a new low, higher low I mean, then you buy it here, and congratulations. And now we are selling it again. So the target is down to 129.50 area. I think that's pretty amazing, isn't it? And yeah, US oil is going up, CAD is going up, USD is going down. So yeah, USDCAD is definitely on the move down. Are you a buyer? Then this is your buy price of target for this week is 130, by the way. And then the overall month is 129.50. For this week, for buyers, is 131 flat price. And then you can take it up to 132.50. 50 pip stop loss. And that should make everything. So if you are a struggling student, in the link below, you can sign up for my counseling, where I go through your trades, 5-year trades, and I give you a review of how you're trading. It's only for one session, so only for 5 trades. And then I would love to give it to you for free today. It's actually costing $300. So please sign up if you want to join in, and if you don't want to join in, fair. I hope you have got a lot of value, a lot of insight, a new way of thinking into support and resistance, into trend following and reversals. Amazing. And stay happy, happy profits, and have an amazing week.